How to make your own natural homemade mosquito repellent lotion. If you take a look at the ingredients on the back of your mosquito repellent, you'll realize several of the ingredients are harmful for your health. It's best to get an effective non-toxic natural mosquito repellent. Below can teach you how to make a homemade mosquito repellent lotion by only using natural ingredients such Java citronella, blue leaf mallee or geranium Egyptian. Give it a try. Conventional mosquito repellents. A conventional mosquito repellent contains several toxic ingredients. These substances can seep into your skin pores and enter the bloodstream, which may be harmful to several organs. Below you can find the most toxic components. DEET. Many insect repellents contain the ingredient N,N-diethylmetatoluamide, DEET. Although DEET is very effective for warding off insects, it can have a long-term toxic effect on the central nervous system. DEET can even change the way a very important enzyme, acetylcholinesterase, works and inhibit it. Some studies confirm that DEET also causes skin irritation. Likewise, it can redden skin and have a numbing effect similar to anesthesia. DMP. Dimethylphthalate, DMP, is another harmful ingredient found in mosquito repellents and perfume. This component makes products last longer from the moment they're applied. However, its side effects can possibly damage your liver and kidneys. Additionally, it can also harm embryos during pregnancies. Parabens. Parabens aren't just present in mosquito repellent. They can also be found in many cosmetic and personal hygiene product. They are conservatives that prevent bacteria and fungus from growing. However, more and more products advertise that they're free of paraben, which is harmful especially for allergies and hormonal changes. Natural mosquito repellents. The main ingredients that repel mosquitoes are the three following essential oils. Java citronella. This is the most popular natural mosquito repellent. Citronella has a characteristic citric aroma. However, you are better off using the Indonesian variety in order to have an effective mosquito repellent lotion. Blue leaf mallee. You can use blue-leaved mallee if you have sensitive skin. It's also very effective and it's less likely to irritate your skin. Blue-leaved mallee's anti-inflammatory effect is also very helpful for soothing itching. Geranium Egyptian. Geranium's sweet fragrance is the gentlest repellent product and it's also very effective as long as it's diluted properly. You can use it on babies by putting some well-diluted essential geranium Egyptian oil on their clothes or diapers. Thus, it will repel mosquitoes without making contact with the skin.